up a Crown Vic chassis. It's a Mercury Grand Marquis. I don't know anything about the mileage, motor condition, anything. It's at a donation center, and I just stopped in, made an offer, and we're picking it up. Let me know what you think we paid for it, and I'll show you through the process of us hooking it up. This thing's reading 64,000 miles. It may be a one owner. It was his mother's car, and there is a title. And I cannot get it in neutral. I think I'm gonna have to back this trailer up to try to get the passenger tire on, because she's about 2 feet back, a foot back. Hop in that thing, throw it in reverse. Oh, smells something smoking. It's probably that wire. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Are you watching that van?
No, stop. Good idea. Come on back. Stop, stop. Just hold what you got. All right, put it in drive. Go forward slowly. Keep going, keep going. Stop. Back up a hair. Stop, stop, stop. No, it just eased off.
What?
Put it in drive and ease forward just a hair. You can turn left. Stop. Go ahead, slowly.
Is that it leaking?
No, it's this.
Oh, okay.
That's me overheating. I'm about to die. We just adopted a family of yellow jackets.
More than that, I've seen some black wasps in the wheel.
Makes me nervous.
Are we good?
No, I got to get my drop cord. I'm going to go to this gas station, get some drinks, retighten. I got to go see if I can get the title real quick. right, don't mind my hair. It's hot. Just got a phone, Mark. Lord, don't let me get stung by some bees. Mark said 5,500. Oh my gosh, it's clean. Yeah. Look at the exhaust. I might have to restore this, Megan, and then to make a decision. This is too nice. It needs a light. All right, these bees ain't playing no games. Be out of gas. We're rolling. She runs. I think I need to put a fuel pump in it.